Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, with the XRP chart, we're dealing here still, or on the XRP chart, we're still dealing with an ongoing sideways correction. The support zone, micro support, is still defined between 45.9 and 54.5 cents. This is still micro support here. We have additional support at 51.8 cents. There's pretty much around 52 cents, a bit of a cluster there of support. And then we have 49.3 cents as additional support, and as I said, 45.9. So these are additional support levels here that are relevant. And as long as we're holding above this support zone, or at least as long as we don't break below the lower boundary line, which is located here at 45.9 cents, the overall, let's say, focus could be on the upside. We can at least watch for higher prices. We can watch for upside movement, but it's not like high confidence. As I said in previous videos, we don't have 5-wave movements to the upside. We only have 3-wave movements to the upside. Okay, so we do need some kind of evidence that this next rally has started, and that could be, let's say the next move up would take result in a break above this B wave high here from well, that was located, or is located, around 63.5 cents. So any break above that level, that would be the first breakout point. And then a really important level is the 66 cent level. I think I showed that in previous videos. It's this swing high from July. And a lot of previous swing highs were located around 66 cents. I could basically here just draw a horizontal line, and you can see how relevant this is. There have been a few fake outs, but pretty much a lot of these previous swing highs got rejected at 66 cents, and the ones that broke above got rejected quite quickly. So I find that an important level. That at the same time doesn't mean that if it goes to 67 cents, it needs to go to the moon. Of course not. You can see there have been fake outs, but it is an important first step. It's probably the most relevant level here on the chart right now, in my opinion, right? So that's what we're dealing with. But as long as we don't even break above this B wave top, there is no breakout signal at all. We're holding above support, so we can still watch for higher prices, but it's all corrective, up and down, back-to-back corrective price action, which gives it this triangle shape, because the market is moving in patterns that are forming lower highs and higher lows. And if this continues for a little bit longer, we really have an Elliott wave triangle, which could still break out to the upside, but it would take a little bit more time. And you can see there's plenty of space here, plenty of space into September, October. Okay, now is September, but yeah, into October potentially. So just be aware of that, and then pay attention to the 45.9 cent level. That would be recommended for potential support. And yeah, triangle is one scenario which would require a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Or here in the yellow wave count, we have a wave 1 to the upside, we have a wave 2 corrective pullback, and then could still watch for higher prices from there in the yellow scenario. And if we break below that 45.9 cent level, which is the lower boundary of the micro support, then we are falling back, or at least there is a risk we are falling back into the larger pattern, and we are back in this sideways range. I mean, visually we are still in the sideways range, but that move up that happened after July the 5th is quite substantial. So I'm actually tracking if the next move up has started. It's just not that evident. So it's still quite balanced in terms of probabilities. The market, if we zoom out a little bit, hasn't really done anything exciting for a year. So it is, yeah, I mean, we just have to watch for that breakout, right? And micro pattern wise, nothing really exciting has happened. The only thing here that I would like to mention, if this really is an ABC structure to the upside, at least the pullback does look corrective. I mean, XRP likes to move in corrective patterns up and down, so it doesn't necessarily help much. But then we can take the length and calculate the length of the C wave by measuring the length of the A wave. And we compare it with the length of the C wave, and it might take us here to 53.8 cents as next support. And then there's another level here, the 1.236 extension, pointing to that 52 cent level. So there is going to be a cluster of fib levels which could offer really good support. Not much exciting price action, however, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.